Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about document management and why it matters, how to do it in Confluence, and how SoftComply Document Manager can help you manage your controlled documents. But first things first, why is document control important? Let's say that you have just finished your requirement specification. You've saved it as requirements final.doc. Then came some edits, code reviews, compliance feedback, and suddenly you have 3 different files. You got requirements final version 2 doc, you have requirements final really final doc, and you have requirements fixed final doc. Which one is the real final? You send one to the team, but they build from another. Suddenly, the project is out of sync. Deadlines are slipping and rework is piling up. For most teams, that is just frustrating, but in regulated industries, in medical devices, pharma, automotive, it's more than just annoying. Wrong versions of documents can create actual risks, defective products, failed audits, even patient harm. Take a software company building a medical device app. The design team updates a specification file to include a critical safety alert, but manufacturing receives an older version. The alert never makes it into the final product, and the device is then shipped, and the defect appears in the field. At that point, it's not just a versioning mistake anymore, it's a regulatory nightmare. Studies show that missing or wrong documentation is a common root cause for Class 1 recalls, the most serious kind. That's why regulators expect teams to control every document, every requirement, every test with full traceability. That's where SoftComply Document Manager comes in. It is built for Confluence. It helps software and product teams to keep documents controlled and versioned automatically, maintain full traceability between requirements, tests, and outputs, and stay audit ready without the chaos of manual versioning. With SoftComply, you'll never have to guess which version is the real final. For regulated industries, this is not just efficiency, it is all about safety. So first of all, why Confluence? SoftComply Document Manager is an app on Confluence Cloud. Confluence itself is designed for online collaboration, maintaining a simple editor with basic permission management. Confluence itself does not have proper workflows, no electronic signatures. Locking and unlocking documents is only manual. Versioning is aimed at online collaboration as Confluence stacks versions one on top of the other, always showing the latest content. Confluence is perfect for company intranet, information storage, and distribution, but it does not tick all the boxes that are needed for a solid document management system. For companies working in the regulated industries like medtech, aviation, automotive, and so on, this is not clear enough. And this is why SoftComply Document Manager was developed. The SoftComply Document Manager app is designed to perfectly integrate with Confluence Cloud. It uses Confluence's own editor. SoftComply Document Manager is out-of-box MDR, IVDR, and 21 CFR 11 compliant document management system with electronic signatures. It provides configurable document approval workflows covering the entire lifecycle of documents. SoftComply Document Manager has a dedicated dashboard for all your document approval tasks, so that you can keep track easily of all the document management activities that are assigned to you. It also has the capability to approve multiple documents simultaneously, and it provides a full document version history on each Confluence page. The SoftComply Document Manager is the only document management app on Atlas and Confluence Cloud with all the necessary modules for compliant document management. It has modules for CAPAs, complaints, non-conformities, change requests, and quality management system. It also provides a full audit trail with who did what when details, and it is the only Confluence-based document management system that is validated. You can still use all the powerful Confluence macros with the Document Manager app, plus those that the app adds itself. The navigation of the documents features a very familiar folder structure that you can use. Versioning is managed in the common structure where each version is a separate page in Confluence. A document can be approved using out-of-the-box workflows, or you can build your own custom workflows. It is also possible to approve more than one document at once with a single signature. You can also assign users to each of the tasks of the workflow, and you can check the list of tasks assigned to you in the app dashboard, or even in your Confluence homepage. Tasks can be simple actions, such as to review a document or sign document. The app automatically locks documents when you require them not to be editable anymore. And other tasks can be configured to be legally binding electronic signatures. Signatures are using standard TOTP authenticators such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. In the approved status, a document has all its required signatures, but is not yet public. The typical scenario is when a procedure has been approved, but it is waiting for training before it's being released, which can be done with a single click of a button. When a user needs to create a new version of a document, a simple interface allows you to do that. Once a new version is created, the process is the same as the one you just completed. The app automatically manages previous versions, making the previous versions obsolete when a new version is published. And that's the very quick overview of what SoftComply Document Manager can do. If you want to learn more, please let us know. We'd be happy to walk you through your use case using the Document Manager app. Thanks for watching and hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.